In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate Minecraft words. So as an example, for your Minecraft, let's just say an example, you have this word. Let me just go and enter it out. And as you can see, you're right here. I don't know, you have an example. Let's just say you have a lot of building and stuff, and you just want to duplicate that word so you can make some changes on it. You just want to blue something out or something like that. So what you'll have to do is simply, first, let me just go and save and quit in here. And as an example, this is like my word that I want to have a copy of. So what I can do here, let me just go and like Alt tab, and here I'm just going to click on Windows R and simply go and type up data. So just type this, just show it to you. So up data and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. Here we basically have to look for Minecraft, and we'll have to go and look for saves. So here we are, saves. As you can see, new word. This is normally my new word. I'm just going to copy this and simply paste this again. I'm just gonna keep the name as it is or name it whatever I want. Now I will have just to go and click on new player, and as you can see, I'll find my new word duplicated. As simple as that. It will be a good idea also if you want to back it up online if you want to. And yeah, as you can see, this is a new word copy. This is my new word, and I should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Of course, if you play on this, nothing will change on this, and the same will be the other way. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.